Breaking news from a New York appeals panel. The massive civil fraud penalty against President Donald Trump has been thrown out. Doug Williams joins us live from the newsroom to break down the decision.
Cindy, this all stems from a lawsuit by New York State Attorney General Letitia James. It stood to cost the president more than $500 million. A five-judge panel took issue with the financial penalty part. However, other punishments still stand. AG James brought the case back in 2022 when President Trump was out of office. The state claimed Trump misrepresented the values of properties in his real estate empire, allegedly allowing Trump's companies to obtain favorable loans and insurance deals. Trump's lawyers have long argued the civil case was driven by politics, but New York Judge Arthur Engoron disagreed. In February of last year, he ordered Trump to pay the state back for what he called ill-gotten gains. But in today's ruling, Justice Peter Moulton wrote, quote, "While harm certainly occurred, it was not the cataclysmic harm that can justify a nearly $500 million award to the state."
New York Attorney General Letitia James' office is blasting a federal criminal referral, potentially targeting the AG. The Department of Justice is being asked to investigate after the director of the Federal Housing Finance Agency claimed that James falsified records for home loans in Virginia. The referral says James listed a Virginia property as her principal residence in 2023, despite holding office in New York. Federal officials also say James misrepresented the number of units at a Brooklyn property and previously listed her father as a spouse for more favorable loans. A spokesperson for James released a statement reading, "Attorney General James is focused every single day on protecting New Yorkers, especially as this administration weaponizes the federal government against the rule of law and the Constitution. She will not be intimidated by bullies, no matter who they are." Joining us for a closer look at the referral is legal expert Nicole Brennecki. Nicole, thank you for joining us. This referral comes after James launched a civil fraud trial into the Trump organization. Do you anticipate action from the DOJ, including criminal charges?
Good afternoon, Cindy. Thank you for having me. I think we all remember the big, bold civil fraud case that she brought against Trump and prevailed. And she has built her entire career on exposing deception. So right now, it's a very problematic situation for her because she's being accused of the same act that she accused Trump of. And I think there is a high probability that they will go after her. Civil fraud is when you sign a declaration or make any statement to obtain some favorable outcome, some benefits of any type. So in this particular case, it would be more favorable mortgage terms. If that is proved, then that constitutes civil fraud.
Winning, I have 1 year, go, epic. Winning, are you bipolar? I'm bi. Winning, win here, win there, win, everywhere, winner, absolute victory everywhere, winner. I'm in a quest. We're gonna win everywhere. Right every single wrong. Right every wrong. I'm a total freaking rock star from Mars. Winning, come on, bro, I got tackle blood. You bottle my brain and feel like, dude, can't handle it. Win here, win there, win, everywhere.
I've got a list, got me short list. From the epic win to the desperately win list. Chicken nuggets, bubble gum, pretending to text to avoid someone.
Epic,
slow dancing, slow dancing, breaking the rules of the Geneva Convention.
Weak,
Adonis blood, violent love, giving needed women caresses and hugs.
Epic,
childbirth, calling birth, take your weakest first.
Duh. Winning. I was banging 7-gram rocks. That's how I roll. Winning. I had 1 year, go, epic. Winning. Are you bipolar? I'm bi. Winning. Win here, win there, win everywhere. I'm a total freaking rock star from Mars. Winning. Come on, bro, I got tackle blood. Winning. You bottle my brain and feel like, dude, can't handle it. Win here, win there, win